Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.